Sneezing attack. Every time I record, the sneezing stops. But I'm not even kidding you, I've been sneezing for the past hour now. This is a raw clip of me sneezing. I should go get tissues. My body I can't even get up right now. Like, if I stand up, I will not be able to walk. My whole body feels shaky. I'm lightheaded. I've been sneezing, but it wasn't frequent. And no, it's kidding. I'm insane. Try not to be so loud, because I know my parents are slowly trying to fall asleep. I mean, my mom does have headphones in and the TV's on, but like, it's a little obnoxious. So, this is a whole raw clip, by the way, so nothing is going to be edited. I did something similar a couple of days ago, but I don't know if anything that I'm saying is making sense right now. I'm very lightheaded, and this phone quality is probably really bad. So lightheaded. This sucks. I don't get this at school, luckily. Because I feel like if I did, I would not be able to concentrate on anything. Right now, my body feels really shaky. I can't get up. And my head is lightheaded. This is a serious thing. Like, it's all funniness aside of, like, laughing attacks and stuff. When it attacks me like this right now, like right now what you're witnessing, it's very real and brutal. And I don't know, again, if anything that I'm saying is making sense. Whoa, I am so lightheaded. I feel another coming in a bit. This is me not editing anything. I don't know how much time has passed, but I've sneezed multiple times. I wish I had tissues. No, probably would have been smart. But I've just been trying to listen to music and I can't because I keep sneezing. Like, this is no editing. I think my parents are asleep. I don't know. Okay, like, less than 4 minutes about 4 minutes have passed by and I've already sneezed multiple times. In this raw clip. I don't know if I'm done or if there's more. Oh, there's a few more. That was not a sneeze. That was a weird thing, but it felt like one. Oh. I am so grateful this doesn't happen in school. I mean, I sneeze at school. Don't get me wrong, I sneeze multiple times at school, but it does not hit me like this at school, which I'm so grateful. This is just gonna go to YouTube right now, like, as raw as it is right now. Whoa. Oh. Oh. I'm getting so lightheaded right now. Whoever's watching this right now, I'm sorry. But this is what people wanted. And this is what's happening. So I might as well film it. I'm never going to force myself to sneeze. I'm always just going to, if I sneeze, I record. I'm not going to force it to happen just for your enjoyment. But if it's happening, might as well record. I don't know if anything that I'm saying in this video is making any sense right now. I have zero comprehending. This is why I know I would not be able to be okay if this happens in school. I feel almost distract myself with talking. Okay, that made that go away kind of. So. In like less than an hour, I've probably sneezed over 50 times. More than that, probably. The reason I think my mom's asleep is because she would probably hear me right now and run in with my medicine. Like my medicine, but like Claritin, I guess. That's what I take. I don't have specific medicine. I probably should get that. But she usually borrows it when she hears it. I'll probably go get them right now. But I don't know where it's at. This is great, y'all. This is the reality of it. Like, all funniness, right? It's great. I mean, I'm happy that you all enjoy this. But it's not enjoyable to me when I'm in the middle of these attacks. It's brutal. It's brutal AF. And my mom today, actually, I was cuddling my cat 2 hours before. And my mom was like, if you're gonna start sneezing, I'm literally gonna, like, because we have a theory I'm allergic to my cat. Now, I noticed that every time I cuddle with my cat, maybe a while later I start sneezing. But every time I would start sneezing, in the moment I would think, but I didn't cuddle my cat a few minutes ago. Well, I didn't. I think what's happening with me is my allergic sneezing attacks are from my cat, but they happen 2 hours or a few hours after I cuddled with him. I don't know. Ow. This is so raw. And the camera's gonna die, so. No. I don't know if any of this is gonna even make it. I will probably post it because people wanted very raw content. But I never gotten it. Now I'm getting raw cotton content. This is the reality of all these funny videos y'all enjoy. We're in 8 minutes in, and I think I've sneezed over 10 times. Probably more than that. If anyone from school sees this, I mean, like, I know. I actually told a couple of teachers a while back that I have a YouTube channel, and a lot of them know. But I don't think they know my account, but I don't know. But I was just thinking, like, if people saw this, like, what would be going through your heads? Like, probably, like, are you good? And because I don't look good right now. Like, I look atrocious. So, I'm just so curious to the people that I, like, am close to in school. If they ever stumble upon this video. Which, the odds of that is very slim. But also likely. Again, I'm sorry. I'm probably not making any sense. But I'm dying. So, maybe I'm done? Usually when I think I'm done, it hits me harder than I ever imagined. Oh, God, I shouldn't have done that. That hurt. Maybe I'm done. I want to stop recording, but then, like, it won't be a full raw video like it was last time I recorded. I have another... Oh. I'm not editing this at all. Maybe this is just gonna go straight to YouTube. Most likely. Yeah. Maybe I'll hit, like, 10 minutes and I'll stop recording. Because that's gonna be, like, my number, I think. But I don't think I'm gonna hit... Oh, I just literally hit 10 minutes. Okay, I'm done. Good timing, though, because I stopped. Not really, but, like, we'll see. Thank you for watching my raw struggle. See you later.